GoHighLevel free trial and GoHighLevel 30-day free trial. Exclusive offer. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get a GoHighLevel free trial and an exclusive GoHighLevel 30-day free trial. This extended free trial is available only through the special link down below, and it's a fantastic offer you don't want to miss. All you need to do is click the link in the video description, which will take you directly to the GoHighLevel website. From there, you'll land on the official extended free trial page that GoHighLevel has provided exclusively for you. Here's the deal. Normally, when you go to GoHighLevel.com, you'll only get a 14-day free trial, which is fine, but it's not the extended 30-day trial that I'm talking about today. That's why I'm making this video, to help you get access to the GoHighLevel 30-day free trial. To get started, simply click the link in the description below, and it will direct you to the official page where you can sign up for the extended GoHighLevel free trial. Once you're on the page, just click the Start Your Extended Free Trial option, enter your details, and create your account. That's it! You'll be able to use GoHighLevel for 30 days for free and check out all the incredible features they offer. And here's the best part. If you're already a GoHighLevel user, you can also claim a $2,400 coupon or a $200 off coupon when you upgrade to a paid plan, depending on which plan you choose. So, not only do you get an extended GoHighLevel 30-day free trial, but you also get a great discount when you decide to take your account to the next level. To summarize, click the link in the description to go to the official GoHighLevel website. Sign up for the exclusive 30-day free trial of GoHighLevel. If you're already a user, claim your $2,400 coupon or $200 off coupon when upgrading. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to click the link below to get your GoHighLevel free trial and start your GoHighLevel 30-day free trial today.